This is a video explanation for the linear model word problem fishing for Nemo. The problem here says Ben goes fishing at the Newport Pier on the weekends. During weekend 1, he caught 3 fish. During weekend 10, he caught enough fish to make a total of 83 fish. Assuming his findings follow a linear model, A. Write a linear equation to model his fish findings. B. Calculate how many fishes Ben caught during week 5. And C. Predict how many fishes Ben has catch during week 15 if the pattern continues. As you can see from the problem, our given points are 1, 1 and 3, resembling he caught 3 fish on week 1, and 11 and 83, resembling he caught his catching 83 fish on week 11. In order to solve our linear model equation, we have to use these given points and plug them into the slope formula. So as you can see here, and we would use the equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, it would be 83 minus 3 over 11 minus 1, which would equal to 80 over 10. And once you simplify 80 over 10, it would equal to a total of 8. So our slope is 8. The next step, we have to solve what the y-intercept equals. So we would use our slope formula, our slope-intercept form, plug in one of the given points, which in this case would be 1 and 3. So you'd have 3 is equal to 8, 1 plus b. Once you distribute the a to the 1, it would equal 3 equals 8 plus b. You subtract 8 to both sides, and your total would be b is equal to negative 5. So our b would equal negative 5. So in the end, our linear model equation is equal to y is equal to 8x minus 5. And the second part of the problem is to find how many fishes Ben caught in week 5. So what we would do is we would plug in 5 into our replacing x into our equation, so it would be y is equal to 8 times 5 minus 5. So you can see here the next step would be y is equal to 40 minus 5, and our total would be y is equal to 35. So Ben caught 35 fish in the 5th week. And the next part to our problem is finding how many fishes Ben caught in the 15th week. So here in step 5, you can see the equation would set up to y is equal to 8 times 15 minus 5. So the next step in this problem would be y is equal to 120 minus 5, and then your total would be y is equal to 115. So Ben caught 115 fish in the 15th week. And that is your explanation for fishing for Nemo